3 dots, and then the answer crawls in, word by word, like someone typing on the other end. Except nobody is typing. Something much stranger is happening, and today we follow your message all the way through the machine to see it. You've done this 1,000 times. Explain gravity like I'm 10. Send. Watch the crawl, and hold that thought. Because here's what most of us quietly assume. Somewhere out there, the AI understands your question, finds the matching answer, like a very fancy search engine, and sends it back. Totally reasonable, and almost completely wrong. Sure, when it says searching the web, it really is searching. That's the exception and a story for another day. But on a plain question, nothing is fetched because there is nothing to find. The answer doesn't exist yet. The machine is about to build it, from scratch, in front of you. Step 1. The moment you hit send, your sentence gets chopped into pieces, small cards. Most words get a card of their own. Gravity, like, 10. But the chopper doesn't respect words. It cuts wherever the pieces are common. Skateboarding becomes skate plus boarding. And in our sentence, even explain doesn't survive. It splits into X plus plane. Engineers call these pieces tokens. So your message is now a tidy stack of cards. One problem, the machine can't read a single one of them. Not one word. The machine cannot read. So, step 2. Every card is instantly swapped for a long list of numbers. From here on, your question is pure math. When someone says, "The AI read my message," it didn't. It turned your message into numbers, because numbers are the only thing it can touch. But a pile of numbered cards means nothing on its own. So, step 3. The cards talk to each other. Every piece looks at every other piece to work out what it means here. Take like. Is it about enjoying something? Comparing something? The neighbors voted into place. How that conversation works is its own story, one of the great ideas of modern AI. But notice, your question is now understood, and still nothing has been written. So what would you do next with a pile of numbered cards? Watch. Because now the machine does the only thing it truly knows how to do. It plays a game. Given everything so far, your question plus whatever it has already written, what is the most likely next piece? Usually it takes the likeliest one, though sometimes it gambles a little. Remember that. It picks one piece, just one, adds it to the pile, and plays the game again, from the top. Every new piece that appears means the machine has reread the whole conversation and made a fresh guess. That crawl on your screen isn't typing. You're watching the loop run live. And that's the entire journey. Chop the message into pieces, turn the pieces into numbers, let the pieces figure each other out, then guess the next piece, again and again, until a full answer is standing there. No search, no answer bank, a construction site. And once you see that, 3 everyday mysteries suddenly crack open. Mystery 1. Why does the same question get different answers on different days? That's the gamble you watched at the guessing step, a tiny roll of the dice. Mystery 2. Why can it start brilliantly, then wander? Every guess is built on its own earlier guesses. And Mystery 3 is the one you can use. The machine can only build from the cards on its desk, so put the good cards there yourself. Your details, your situation, an example of what good looks like. You're not asking a librarian, you're supplying a builder. So, how exactly does it choose that next piece? What's inside the guess? That's the next episode of AI from Zero. And if you want the real engine today, the 2017 paper that started all of this is already torn apart, right here on the channel. Subscribe and tinker along.